Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to draw y'all a street snack which is called Gola, and pretty much what it is it's just crushed ice with some flavored syrup. So I'm first going to start out with the top, and I'm pushing down on the stylus so it gives that texture of crushed ice. Curve it around over here. Next thing I'm going to do is just another curved line or a circular base. I'm now going to draw the bottom, which is the kind of like a popsicle stick that is used to hold the crushed ice, and also as a handle to enjoy the snack. Just gonna continue with the top over here. And then just bring this down. Now I'm just going to draw two swirly lines to show the actual syrup, or how it has come onto the snack. More than a snack, it's like a treat. It's not something you want to have every day. It's kind of like a different version of ice cream. Let's connect this line up over here. And there we have it, people. Our street version of a nice little thing called Gola. Anyway, for the next part of this video, what I'm going to do is just do a time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along and trying, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye for now.